Hello friends, welcome to my famous, well-known, innovative and unique educational channel to watch more creative videos on Flask framework using Python. As we have gone through many videos on Flask, such as machine learning using Flask, connection of React with using Flask, CRUD operation using MySQL using Flask, CRUD operation with MongoDB. We have also seen lot of videos on Flask long back ago, 1.5 year back ago, with very different. I think data science we have seen using Flask. Also we have seen Excel connectivity to Flask with pandas and this thing. So please watch that videos also. Today we are going to watch a video, something different. We have seen C++ connection with Postgres with CRUD operation. We have seen C connection with Postgres with CRUD operation, that we have seen using command prompt. So today we are going to see Flask connection with MySQL using command prompt, not browser. So let us go through the program. So employee management system, you will be seeing a video. Then create table, and this is a cursor, establish the session with the MySQL database. Then all these things, insert, update, delete operation, and this thing. Now I will execute the program. Yes, a nice screen is displayed in front of you. So first of all, I want to add a record. I will add record 1, ID 1, name, address, Zuhu, salary, date of birth, I have inserted one record. Now I want to insert another record. So add ID 2, Anil, address, Bandra, salary, date of birth, two record has been added. Now I will add another record 3, Akshay, address, Mumbai, salary, date of birth, now I want to display the record. So 3 records have been added, all record has been displayed. Now we want to do one thing. I want to update the record. ID 1, no, ID I will take, ID 3 I will take, ID 3 I will take, name, address, salary, date of birth, now again I will display the record. Yes, updation has been done successfully. Now I want to search the record 4th, ID 2, Yes, searching is also done properly. So I successfully done with. Now I want to delete the record. Third, delete 3. So record has been deleted. So I successfully done with CRUD operation using Flask with MySQL using command prompt. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel, share with your friends. I will be back with more and more creative videos on machine learning using Flask, then React and Node.js, web development, then MongoDB. Hope I will do one video on MongoDB, NoSQL database, which is much popular. Then if possible, I will be back with new creative videos on operating system, which I have done using OPAM, and hope I will be back with more creative videos using cloud. So keep watching my latest video updates on youtube.com. So please stay on my YouTube channel for long time on youtube.com. Thanks for watching.